Hard to tell though, huh? Oh, that was crying, huh?
Poor baby.
You're not going to sleep with the hiccups, are you?
Oh. That was a good one.